Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I am so sorry you guys. Today I'm going to be playing Kizzy, and I'm going to be playing this wolf simulator, and explaining to you why I haven't been here for so long. I have just been so busy almost, and so it's almost like I was jealous, so I didn't do any Star Stable recording. And before I get into this, I'm gonna need to stop this 5 minutes earlier because I need to do something on Star Stable at 5:30, and I can't show you guys. So that's what I was about to say. It's almost like I'm jealous, so I don't do any videos because I don't know how to record Star Stable, and if I could record Star Stable, that would just be my dream come true. So please, everybody, I'm never gonna delete this channel, but I've sort of been down because nobody ever really subscribes. So if we can get this channel up to 5 subscribers, I think I only need 2 more, then I will do at least 3 videos a week or more. So please do that. If I could get slightly more popular, that would be just great. And yeah, I just wanted to say that. And so now we're going to play Wolf Simulator and explain some more why I haven't been here once this thing is done loading. So yeah, I need more people to like my videos. I need more subscribers, because right now what's happening is no, I'm not popular, so why do a video? So please, anybody who does watch this, Tim Shippers, I think that you watch this, and it would be great if you could tell this to many other people. It's hard though, because in order to get to my channel, you need like my channel name, but I don't have enough. You need to search up like one name of my video, and in the description I will say the name of a video, and so that you can go search up the other videos. But then again, if you're watching this, then you probably already know my channel. But actually, if you scroll down, just like I'm doing right now, except for on YouTube, you'll actually scroll down, and then you can scroll down and you can subscribe, and there'll be a little picture, a circle, and I think it's either green or it has a picture with me and with my horse. So yeah, just go click on that and see all of my other videos, and who knows, maybe my channel might actually get popular. So let's go and do some quests. Now, I have not played this game in like millions of years, so. A little baby fox wants to learn how to hunt. I understand that you do not really like foxes, but can you help her? You need to teach her how to hunt. Kill 1 deer. Okay, that sounds easy. Oh no, is that a mad thing? Oh no, I think it's mad. How do I go faster? Ah! Okay, I've not played this in so long. I'm going to die. I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Do horses like attack you? Because that would be my... What? How do I go faster? Okay, wait. Where does it tell me where you go faster? Wait a minute. Kill 1 deer. Oh, there's a deer. Uh-oh. What's happening to me? I wonder if there's anything mad at me. Uh-oh. We're freeze. It's alright. Come on, little game. Uh-oh, what happened to me? Oh, yeah, my family's with me. Oh, there's the little fox. I was wondering where it is. I don't actually have any baby animals. Oh my god, I'm losing more. Ah, run! Mission complete! Yes! Continue! Now! Whoopsies, did I actually get that meat? Ooh, can I please have that? Pick up food. Now, I'm just gonna go on... No! I subscribed and clicked the notification to so many channels that it just gets spammed by things. Nope. And then, character, nope. Ugh, what level am I? What? Okay, I thought that my video just stopped working. Level 2. Energy, life, attack, energy, I guess. Current level 2. Wow, well that changed a lot. Okay, let's go. Oh look, it's a nice food. Come here, I need food. Dang! Damn it, come back. Ugh, why does it always do that? It just glitches. Ugh, why do... No, Ella, stop clicking that. You're running out of time. Oh no, I'm running out of time, you game. I just want to have a little baby wolfie. Of course I am going to kill this boar. I am a wild animal. And why isn't that other wolf, like, actually helping me? Come on, little boar. Pick up food. Oh, wait, I should have clicked eat, because I need to go up. Ugh, levels. No, a fox is not what I'm going to eat, because they're predators. I know, also, boars are also predators, but they're not as much. I don't know. People hunt them more often as just... Oh no, I'm going to, like, die because I'm stupid and isn't eating enough food. Oh wow, I'm just walking. Boar, I need your food. Food, 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 food. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm not killing you enough. Okay, I need to get out of here. I do not want to die. Like, please, no. No, just no. Come on, little wolfie. Why? Stupid boar. I tried to leave you alone. Oh, no! I'm sorry. Yep, I'm gonna die on this video. What an embarrassing thing to happen to me. Yep, I'm dead. Yep, try again. Yep, almost there. Yep, that's... I forgot to mention that you're with, like, one of the biggest noobs on this game, so... Yeah, whoopsies, why does that always happen? No, I really don't care about that. What? Okay. Oh look, a quest. I don't care because I only have 40 seconds and I need to get food and possibly have a little baby wolfie. But I will probably be back in a few minutes. Just a little bit later, just to sort of, say hi. No, I'm kidding. I'm not going to come back just to say hi. I'm going to give you a video. So I shall see you guys next time, and I hope you understand now a bit more why I wasn't here so long. So, see you guys next time. Bye. Goodbye.